Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Solve Tech. Today, we're going to show you how to change the theme of your Instagram chats. It's a fun and easy way to make your conversations more colorful and personal. We'll walk you through the steps so you can customize your chats in no time. So, grab your phone and let's get started. Here's how to do it. Open Instagram. Tap on Home icon. Click on Messenger icon. Click on the chat. Click on the profile above chat section. Click on Theme. Select the theme you like from the options. You can also change the theme again.